Hey guys, let's see how to have this Happrun H1 projector working with Netflix. As you can see, I have my cell phone connected to the projector via cable, but it's not working. If I try to play from here, you see that I get this spinning wheel. That's because there's a protection here on the app that doesn't allow me to connect here to the projector and have it working, right? So I just need to close this down. And instead of using a cell phone, I can use a different device. So I'm just disconnecting the cell phone from here. Okay, I can just mirror the cell phone like this, but not use Netflix. Then I can use a cable like this and connect to my computer. It's just an HDMI cable. I connect it here, and I'm gonna see the image here from my computer. Here on my computer, I'm running Netflix via web browser. So I just come to the netflix.com and I can log in with my account. And then I can run the Netflix from here and project here from the Happrun H1, okay? So super simple. And the other way to go is just use this device here, which is a FireStick, Fire TV, right? You can also use Google TV, whatever streamer that you have available, okay? So I'm just connecting this here. And I'm going to connect the Fire TV to the HDMI port. And there we go. Now I just grab my remote control here and I can just have access to the Netflix there, right? I come here to Netflix and I can log in with my account, right? There we go. So super simple. So the basic idea is that you just need a streaming device connected here, and then you can use Netflix or you can connect directly to your computer, right? Super simple. I hope that helps. Leave your thumbs up here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.